Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Lusambo. In today's video, I'm going to give you 5 legit ways that will help you to make money online. Number 1, you can sell your skill on Upwork. Now, how can you make money on Upwork? You can make money on Upwork in different ways. For example, you can start accepting jobs relating to translation and transcription, online marketing, graphic design, and other options. Number 2, you can create a YouTube channel. And now, how can you make money using a YouTube channel? You can make money using YouTube channel by joining affiliate programs, for example, Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and other companies. Second, you can use Google Adsense. Third, you can try to sell your own products. And fourth, you can design your own online course and try to sell. Number 3 is Amazon Kindle Publishing. So you can write books and try to sell your ebooks on Amazon. Number 4, you can generate passive income online using Fiverr. If you have any skill that you like to sell online, you can join Fiverr website and start selling your skill there. There are different skills that you can sell online, for example, graphic design, translation, transcription. Number 5, you can start a Shopify dropshipping store and try to sell different products on your store. So the options are already there. Friends, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.